Bisaya, only English. If you don't speak in English, no salary.
Sarili. No worries. I'm going to teach you. That's mama. I'm mommy. Just come or just arrive here. Just enjoy. Let's go. Let's go na, mama. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Come here, come here. I'm so thirsty, mama. I want water. Milani, come here, please.
Mom.
Can you give me 1 glass of water with ice, please?
Water.
Yes.
Sama.
Thank you. Are you thirsty, Mama? Yes. Mama also wants water.
Mom, there naman.
Where's the ice and this water? Ice.
Ice, Mom.
Yes, ice.
Ice. Mata, Mom.
Can your eyes can make cold with water? Is this ice can make the water cold? What do you think, Dylan?
Madam, ayos magkuno yung ayos kuno yung ayos is mata man, mata is ice. Mata, ice is ice. Di ko wala, di na wow.
No worries, Mama. Don't be mad. That's fine. Melanie can learn later. So relax, Mama. I love you. Well, that's okay. That's fine, Melanie. No worries. Thank you.
Ay, thank you, ma'am. Kaya nakasabot ra ka na ho, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for this water.
Ay, thank you,